Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover your Amazon account. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon sign-in page. Once the page loads, click on the sign-in button. Enter your email address or phone number that is connected to your Amazon account. Then click Continue. If your account has been hacked and the password was changed, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Amazon will ask you to enter the email address or phone number linked to your account. Type it in carefully and click Continue. After that, Amazon will send a one-time password, also called an OTP, to your registered email address or phone number. Go to your email inbox or check your text messages. Open the message from Amazon, copy the code, and go back to the Amazon page. Paste the code into the required field and click Continue. Now you will be asked to create a new password. Enter a strong password that you have not used before. Then re-enter the same password to confirm it. Click on Save Changes or Continue. Once this is done, you can log in using your new password and access your account again. If you did not receive the OTP, click on the link that says Did not receive the code. Follow the instructions on the screen. You may need to provide a government-issued ID to verify your identity, or contact Amazon support for further help, especially if you cannot access your email account. Thanks for watching.